case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit heard a compelling case in 1966 known as United States v. Wegematic Corp, a perfect example of a business gamble gone wrong. The case was centered around a key principle. A manufacturer assumes the risk of their inability to deliver a product as designed under a contract, unless otherwise stipulated. The case began when the Federal Reserve Board contracted with Wegematic, choosing the corporation to provide an innovative computer system for the sum of $230,000. The contract signed by both parties laid out explicit conditions. Should there be a delay in delivery, Wegematic would incur liquidated damages. In the event of Wegematic's failure to comply with any provision of the contract, the board had the liberty to pursue an alternate supplier, holding Wegematic responsible for any extra cost incurred. After 15 long months of waiting, the groundbreaking computer system hadn't arrived. Wegematic claimed it was impossible to solve the existing engineering difficulties without spending an additional $1 million. This led the board to rent a similar computer system at a cost of $102,000 per year, with an option to buy at $410,000. After the costly delay, the board decided to take the case to court. The court sided with the board, ordering Wegematic to pay for the delay and the replacement computer's expense. Unwilling to accept this ruling, Wegematic decided to appeal the decision, leading to a closer examination of the case by the United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit. The appeal court agreed with the previous decision, stating that the U.S. had valid reasons to assume Wegematic was capable of delivering the contracted computer. Even if solving the engineering issue would require a substantial investment, it was a gamble that Wegematic had willingly taken on. Allowing Wegematic to opt out would set a dangerous precedent where manufacturers could promise products, gamble on their delivery, and penalize customers when they fail to deliver. Therefore, the court upheld the ruling, asserting that Wegematic was liable for the losses the board incurred due to the delay and the cost of sourcing the computer from a different supplier.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.